So let's go ahead and put the, all we have left is to put the branch on and the flowers, and we'll be done.
What do we do with the, oh, I see. You're setting the fortune cookies.
We place them ever so gently on here.
You stick them.
Okay, let me go grab the chocolate.
All right.
Because I left it in here.
Tami is leaving the room again. Having some chocolate.
Feel free
Thanks for being here, gang.
Feel free to talk amongst yourselves.
Yeah, they did. They did.
It's funny, I thought I had grabbed it last night.
Chinese lantern for Chinese New Year coming up February 8th, 2016.
Yes, you're the monkey this year.
It's the year of the monkey? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good. I like monkeys.
I have several friends at work that are year of the monkey.
Very cool.
That are one's from Indonesia, one's from Taiwan. So they celebrate. We get stuff at work all the time from
Very cool.
From our Taiwan employees.
Is this chocolate fondant?
This is chocolate fondant.
Okay.
It is.
Okay. It's chocolate fondant,
right? It's really old chocolate.
Is this the 25-year-old chocolate fondant?
Yeah, try it.
That's not bad. It's like Tootsie Rolls.
Yeah, it's like Tootsie Rolls. I have Tootsie Rolls in the other room, too.
Could use those.
You can.
Can you soften those up?
If you have Tootsie Rolls, you can soften them up and you can use them instead for a branch.
See?
Yep.
How great is that?
Well, I did. I showed Tootsie Roll. I thought I showed Tootsie Roll roses. You can heat them in the microwave, but
Tootsie Roses?
Tootsie Roll roses. Yeah, you make roses out of Tootsie Rolls.
Very cool.
You guys knew that, right?
Probably.
Yeah. I just softened it up. Okay. Before I put this on, I don't like this white, so I think I'm going to dust this gold. So let's do that real quick. Here it is. I have this, and I'm just going to.
You speak in fragments. I have, and then I'm gonna.
I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna
do it.
And I just.
Sorry.
It's because you started to speak and then you started to work, and you don't want to disturb your concentration by speaking.
Okay, so you can see where I'm going here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm probably not going to do the whole thing on camera because that's be boring for you guys.
Oh, we're way past that. Awesome.
But I want to do one side because that's where the gold ropes, the branch is going to go, and then I'll do the other side off camera.
Okay. So basically, paint it.
Yeah, it's just alcohol and dust.
Yeah, of course it is.
I always use alcohol.
What's the color of the dust?
This is the gold.
It's just called gold?
Yeah, it's the 24 karat gold.
That's right. Same stuff as before.
What else do you want to call it? Yeah, it's the same stuff as before.
Really good gold. Really expensive gold.
So, okay, so I'll clean that up and do a better job where you can't see it. And I take my time and do it, but you can see it looks better with the gold. So, okay, so what's left now? Let's use our sugar glue that I had here a second ago. It's right here. And we'll make a thin-looking branch. And the nice thing about branches is they don't have to be even. Yay! So I can roll like I normally roll. Lousy. Mm-hmm. All right. So we'll put a little bit of glue on this. No questions, huh?
No. Mary Jane's a little distracted by the rolls of chocolate fondant on the counter because she wants me to eat them, I think. Actually, she said, "Where's the dog?"
I knew someone was going to say that. Yeah, that's what it looks like. The dog is actually in the other room.
It's good.
And no, he's not coming out.
It's all right. That's what those are for. Make a little branch.
Yeah. What did you think I was going to do?
I don't know.
I was not going to have one more right here. I was not going to have a dog, on the cake. I was gonna That's another cake.
Yep. And how do you get off a little extra gold on your red fondant?
Alcohol.
Okay.
Drink heavily.
You can demonstrate that.
I will.
It's awesome because that's what I would do.
Let's see, where do I want this?
I'd much rather see mistakes made and then figured out and demonstrated than having something perfect, because I'm not going to do it perfectly.
No, I don't do
I'm
it
gonna make
perfectly. I'm
mistakes.
not a, you know, I do it. The only time I do it perfectly is when I'm doing it for a show.
Yeah.
And sorry, but you guys don't
And
rate.
you guys got plenty. You have
I
plenty
don't have
of
a
time.
judge. I have a judge. Yeah, plenty of
Yeah,
time.
and
I
you
have
can do
someone
it
watching
over.
me.
You can do it over 2 or 3 times in a row, or whatever you need.
Yeah.
I understand.